Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sassy Sauce Hot, Nashville Hot, Mundo de Unas VZ130. And this is Nashville Hot from the Polish and Beauty Expo. I've already got Nailtiques Formula 2 on my nails. And here we go. We're just hopping right in with the paint job. We're going to get this on our nails so we can do some stamping, some plating. And I am really working my way through these polishes from last year's expo. I'm getting closer to being done actually using every one of them. It has been a task, I can tell you. Capping my free edge here. Stunning. Love those flakies in it. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So here we go with our second coat of Nashville Hot. And I can tell you, the week we were there, it was disgustingly hot. The weekend that we spent in Nashville for the expo, holy cow, sweating to death. And funny enough, the week I wore this in May, 110 degrees here. We're going to top this with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so we can add some nail art to this one. But I'm telling y'all, unusual for Memphis to be 110 degrees in May. Can't even imagine what July and August is going to feel like for us. Here we go. Swatch photo. Gorgeous. Oh, so here we go. VZ130 Mundo de Unas. And this has got a lot of moons on it and suns. And I'm going to try to stick to the suns. For this manicure, I'll be using Maniology's Gold Rush and my Monocle Stamper and my H. La Corsadora Scraper today. And we're just going to try to pick up some sun images for this manicure. Got my pickup. I'm going in with a piece of tape to remove any excess image that I don't want. We're going to plop that down on the nail. Yay, yay, pretty. And it would have shown up better if I'd have stamped it in black, but I was really kind of going for that sun golden look. So, okay, we're going to, you can tell I didn't think this out. I'm like just looking at the plate and picking up the images that just jolt me. Here we go. One more. Beautiful pickup. Let's turn it around. Figure out how we're going to place it. And voila. It is on the nail. Love, love stamping. It's, once you get the hang of it, it's so easy and changes your manicure so much. This one's another cute one. I'm telling you, these plates are just really, really nice. Loving the images. And the quality of the plate is really good too. I had placed an order. I can't even tell you how many I picked up, but it was quite a few. I didn't do a haul video on it because I knew I was going to be just like bap using them. You'd see them that way. So here we go. Very nice. I'm doing pretty good on lining these up today. I must have been having a good line it up day. And then this one's kind of just like a star. I figured it'd look good on the pinky. On that little pinky nail. Tap, tap, get it up. And here we go. All right, nice and easy. All right, so I'm cleaning my stamping mat and the stamping plate up with pure acetone. Gonna get everything cleaned up so we can put it away clean. So it'll be ready for us next time. Get that plate clean, clean. Wipe it with the lint-free wipe. I'm gonna be topping these with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. And then once that is completely dry, which didn't take long, I'm going to top it with the Seche Vite top coat today. Seal this one in. And get ready to rock these nails all week. And trust me, it was hot all week that I wore these. It was hot, y'all. Going to cap my free edge. Yay, I'm loving this. So much fun. Hi, Woody, back again. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.